to Empower Your Thinking, the podcast that inspires and fuels your journey to unlocking your full potential. Join host C.T. Johnson on the voyage of self-discovery as he uncovers the keys to a more empowered and fulfilled life. Tune in and elevate your thinking today.
Well, hello, Cerebral citizens. C.T. Johnson here with today's empowering moment topic, the power of teamwork. No significant vision is accomplished alone. While individual talent is valuable, sustained success is almost always the result of coordinated effort. Teams are not just groups of people working in proximity. They are aligned individuals working toward a common objective with shared responsibility. There's a reason organizations, athletic programs, military units, and corporations all function through teams. Research from Harvard Business Review consistently shows that high-performing teams outperform even the most talented individuals working in isolation. Why? Because teams multiply perspective, distribute workload, and strengthen problem-solving capacity. Where one person sees a limitation, another sees possibility. Teamwork brings diversity of thought. It creates accountability. It forces communication. It sharpens execution. When roles are clear and trust is present, outcomes accelerate. A cohesive team reduces error, increases efficiency, and enhances innovation. Studies from MIT's Human Dynamics Laboratory found that the quality of team communication and collaboration predicts performance more accurately than individual intelligence alone. But teamwork requires maturity. It demands humility over ego, collaboration over competition, and shared victory over personal spotlight. A dysfunctional team fractures vision. A unified team amplifies it. When individuals understand their role and commit to the collective goal, momentum becomes sustainable. Successful outcomes are rarely accidental. They are built through structure, cooperation, and disciplined coordination. One person may initiate a vision, but it takes a team to execute it at scale. If you want longevity, impact, and measurable results, build a team that values clarity, trust, and accountability. Here's the reality. Isolation limits potential. Alignment multiplies it. So examine your circle. Are you connected to people who strengthen the mission? Are you contributing your part with excellence? A strong team doesn't happen by chance. It's built intentionally. Remember, success is amplified through unity. When individuals align under shared purpose, results become inevitable. This has been your empowering moment with me, C.T. Johnson. Be sure to subscribe and rate the podcast wherever you listen so you never miss an episode. Stay connected for more insights by following me on Instagram and YouTube at I Empower Lives. Visit the website, IEmpowerLives.online, or email your questions and comments about today's episode to admin@IEmpowerLives.online. And one more thing. Don't forget to order my 2 new transformative workbook manuals, Forged for Valor, The Making of a Kingdom Warrior, and Refined for Dominion, the Proverbs 31 Woman's Training Manual. These are more than just workbooks. They are your personal guides to transformation, alignment, and dominion. So visit my website, IEmpowerLives.online, and purchase your copies today. Remember that a changed life is the consequence of an empowered mind. I love you. Be empowered.
Thank you for tuning in to another empowering episode of Empower Your Thinking. Remember, a changed life is the consequence of an empowered mind. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast for more inspiring content that fuels your journey to unlock your full potential. And for daily empowerment, follow host C.T. Johnson on Instagram at @IEmpowerLives. Join us next week as we continue this voyage of self-discovery, uncovering the keys to a more empowered and fulfilled life.